Hi everyone, welcome to the Procurement Playbook, your go-to podcast for mastering the art and science of procurement. I am your host, Deepak Kamboj, and with over a decade of experience in procurement, vendor management, sales, business development, and leadership, I currently serve as the category manager for a leading Swedish utility company. Did you know that the effective procurement can save your organization millions? Throughout my career, I've led strategic procurement initiatives, established key partnership with top global suppliers, and driven change management projects to optimize procurement processes. In this podcast, we'll explore the principle, strategies, and technologies that drive successful procurement practices. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out, this podcast is designed to provide you with valuable insights and practical tips to excel in your procurement career. Think about the last time you made a big purchase. How did you decide on the supplier? In today's episode, we'll dive into the fundamentals of procurement. We'll cover what procurement is, why it's important, and the key roles and responsibilities involved. So let's get started. What is procurement? Procurement is the process of acquiring goods and services that an organization needs to operate. It's not just about buying things. It's about ensuring that the right products and services are obtained at the right price, from the right source, and at the right time. Effective procurement can significantly impact an organization's bottom line. It can enhance operational efficiencies and even drive innovation. Historically, procurement has evolved from a simple purchasing function to a strategic role within organizations. In the past, procurement was often seen as a back office function, which was focusing only on cost cutting. However, in today's dynamic business environment, procurement is recognized as a critical driver of value and competitive advantage. This shift has been driven by the increasing complexity of supply chains, the need for cost efficiency, and the growing importance of sustainability and ethical sourcing. Now, let's talk about the key roles and responsibilities in procurement. The Procurement Manager oversees the entire procurement process, right from identifying the needs from the business to managing the supplier relationship. This role involves strategic planning, market analysis, and ensuring that the procurement activities align with the organization's overall goals. Buyers execute the procurement strategy, negotiate with the supplier, and ensure that the organization requirements are met. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance between cost, quality, and delivery. Now let's talk about collaboration. Collaboration is also very vital in procurement. Procurement professionals must work closely with other departments such as finance, operations, IT, legal, and it is to ensure that procurement activities are aligned with the organization's overall goal and objectives. This cross-functional collaboration helps in identifying the right needs, setting realistic budgets, and ensuring compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Procurement practices can vary significantly across different industries. For example, procurement in the manufacturing sector may focus heavily on securing raw materials and components, while procurement in the healthcare industry might prioritize sourcing medical supplies and equipment. Understanding these industry-specific nuances is crucial for developing effective procurement strategies. In the IT and consulting sector, for example, procurement often involves managing complex service agreements and ensuring that the services provided meet the organization's technical as well as operational requirements. One of the fundamental principles of procurement is value for money. This means not just focusing on the lowest price, but considering the total cost of ownership, which includes factors like quality, delivery, and services. Achieving value for money requires a strategic approach where procurement professionals evaluate the suppliers based on multiple criteria and select those that offer the best overall value. Now let's talk about transparency and accountability. Both of them are also critical principles in procurement. Transparent procurement process ensures that all stakeholders have a clear understanding on how decisions are made, which helps in building trust as well as credibility. Accountability means that the procurement professionals are responsible for their actions and their decisions, and they must ensure that these align with the organization policies and also ethical standards. This is particularly important in public procurement, where there is a high level of scrutiny and the need to demonstrate fairness and integrity. Now let's come to risk management. Risk management is another essential aspect of procurement. Identifying and mitigating risk in the supply chain can prevent disruptions and ensure continuity of supply. This involves assessing potential risks such as supplier insolvency, geopolitical risks, and natural disasters, and then developing a contingency plan to address them. Effective risk management helps in maintaining a stable supply chain and protecting the organization's interest. To sum up, procurement is a multifaceted function that plays a vital role in an organization's success. By understanding the fundamental of procurement, including its principles, roles, and responsibilities, you can develop effective strategies that drive value, ensure compliance, and promote sustainability. Well, that wraps up our introduction to procurement. In the next episode, I'll try to delve into the core principles of procurement, including value for money, transparency, and risk management. Thank you everyone for turning into the Procurement Playbook. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, leave a review, leave a comment, and if possible, share it with your colleagues. I'm your host, Deepak Kamboj, and until next time, happy procuring.